I'm actually setting up super cute little areas in my space. Maybe I should do a little office tour. Oh my god, it's midnight. Let's just do it. We're already here. I'm gonna give you a quick little tour of the office, what I'm doing, and then tomorrow when I finish cleaning up and putting everything together, you can see it in the daytime. So let me start off with my workspace. I decided to take the corner and we have to work side by side. It's just easier to have the Wi-Fi plug-in. I don't know what it's called. Clearly I'm not tech savvy. The Wi-Fi box is right here. It makes it a tiny little bit faster. We have this shared space. My husband's area is right there. As you turn this way, this is my space. He needs his wall. This is like his vision board slash his 10-year plan. More messy. I literally just cleaned up. I'm having such a hard time with this wall right here. I don't love this vision board. It doesn't bring me any joy. Like I said, it's doing nothing for me right now. But if you turn around, this actually used to be our master bedroom. But turning around, let me turn the light around. That's better. So I was just doing YouTube videos there, and I'm thinking that this is gonna be the YouTube corner, except for the fact that this whole wall is dead. I don't know what to do, and I have this huge space here. Leave it, because usually YouTube videos, like, that's it, that's all you see. And sometimes I can just do this, like, you don't even have to see the whole entire shelf. I'm gonna clean this up, but this is my little portable. Look, I cannot, this is like $10 from Amazon. And it's been the craziest buy because I bought this my very first apartment with my husband, so 8 years ago. So here is my little shelf, my little success shelf. This just reminds me that I've succeeded. Dude, you did it once, you could do it again. These are all the books that have made significant impact in my life, because it just reminds you that you can take small actions and it will just completely change your life. The second one I would say is this one. And then the third one that is everything is this one. He signed my book when I met him. It's just a standing desk. We don't like being in the same place all the time. Like, we work from home, so it just doesn't really make sense to only have one desk. It's kind of ugly. I don't know what to do. I might just paint it white. It's ghetto. Like, you wouldn't even be able to see it on videos. Real. I just removed my whiteboard from here because I'm gonna be moving it there. I'm gonna move it right there, so when I do YouTube videos or anything like that, it can be here. Here's my light, excuse me. And then that's my master closet. That became the storage for everything that has to do with the office, shipping, all of that stuff. It's coming along. I change it all the time. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. Please help me. Please help me with that wall. What should I put on the wall? What are good things I should put? Should I put shelving? Should I put, like, what? We're still gonna be here for a while, so I'm open. I did want to put something manly up there for him. I'm willing to put something manly. Tell me what to do. Gotta go to bed. Bye. This is what it looks like. So pretty. I ended up putting these for now. They're a placeholder, but I still want something manly. The sun hits so nice here. In about an hour, it's gonna be like the prettiest sun. And David doesn't know yet, but he's gonna be putting the whiteboard there. Good morning. Today I want to talk to you about, you don't have the luxury of having a separate office space or a workspace. How can you create videos? How can you create a workspace that is pretty for you, that you are proud of? Contrary to popular belief, we have had 0 workspaces for a really long time. So 8 years ago, when my husband and I decided to get married, move in to a very, very small apartment. When I'm saying small, it was like we can barely breathe. 0 aesthetic. A lot of our furniture was given to us for free. So like browns and dark things, and nothing matched. So we really had to be creative with our workspace. I made it work. I started getting into creating videos for him, and I had to look professional. Right now I'm going to show you different ways that you can create a little corner so you can look super cute. For example, right here, this is literally a corner, right? It doesn't have to be a whole chair. Maybe you have this table. Maybe that's one of the tables that you have on the side you can push over. I have this, I'll link it. I was talking about this yesterday. Portable, because again, I understand. Another thing that I like that I've seen a few creators do is just sit on the floor. Honestly, you would have to organize yourself. But if this is something that you can be in front of a window, super cute corner by your bed or by your sofa, this could also be a way that you can do it. As you can see, it doesn't look bad at all. Another thing that you can do is a plain white wall, decorate it. I actually bought some, I'm gonna see if I can find a photo, wallpaper, and it was like $20 on Amazon. One whole wall, I just put that on there and sat behind, put some thumbtacks and added some cute wall decor. A lot of the time, people don't really care what's going on in the back as long as it's clean. If you can do your videos like this, it's not bad at all. Just try it. If you do have a workspace, like a little desk or something like that, and you like it and it's super cute, also go right in front of your workspace. The thing with this though is I can't do that because I literally have the entire light source. I really have to take that into consideration. One other thing I was telling one of my girls, just do it on your bed. Like, I've done a few videos on my bed and it doesn't look bad. The lighting's great. You don't want to look like you just woke up either. It's a lost opportunity, to be honest. So you can grab something like this. I don't even know the name, but it's like the Joby one. Gotten these creator kits from like TJ Maxx or Walmart or whatever. $20 ones always come apart, especially for David's new content coming up. The tripod that I have right now is not even $20 and it's pretty sturdy. One was actually even more. So I tell you this and I wanted to share that you don't need a super aesthetic space to create videos. I wanted to reiterate that because if you just add a few cute things onto whatever you have, you can make a cute video. Use what you have. Bye.